Snoring is harsh noise caused while breathing during sleep. It can occur during all or only some stages of sleep. Main causes of snoring are nasal problems, mouth anatomy, sleep deprivation and sleep positions. It can lead to poor sleep, which can affect your daytime function with tiredness. The louder the snore, the greater the long-term risk for stroke. Sleep apnea and snoring have been linked to cardiovascular problems. Sleep apnea is a sleep disorder in which breathing repeatedly stops and starts. If you snore, that doesn't mean that you have sleep apnea. Some people sleep with their eyes open, and that condition is called as nocturnal lagophthalmos. If you snore with your mouth open, then you are a mouth breather. Some people snore while awake. This is a serious medical condition known as obstructive sleep apnea or OSA. This can be dangerous as OSA causes the person to stop breathing for few seconds. Star Wars actress Carrie Fisher died from sleep apnea and other factors. Snoring in children is caused due to enlarged tonsils and adenoids, and it could lead to obstructive sleep apnea disorder. The common symptoms of snoring are weight gain, pauses in breathing during sleep, awaking at night, headaches in morning, feeling tired, sleepy during daytime, not able to pay attention, and chest pain at night. Some of the natural and best home remedies for snoring are: lose some weight. Overweight people have extra fat around their necks, which narrows their airways and causes them to snore more. Don't take inflammatory food. Dairy and gluten products cause tissues in your nose and throat to get inflamed. Drinking more water will keep you hydrated and will prevent any mucus formation in your nose. Say no to alcohol. Alcohol relaxes your throat muscles and to snore. Quit smoking. Smoking irritates your throat tissues, which lead to inflammation. Keep your room moist by humidifier. Dry air may aggravate snoring. Always sleep in side positions. Use body pillows to maintain sleeping on your side. You can elevate your head while sleeping. To elevate the head, use pillows. Please see link in the description to buy wedge pillows. Do anti-snoring throat exercise. If you want to know the effective ways of throat exercise, please comment. Strengthening tongue and throat muscles would help in stop snoring. Sliding your tongue back and forth is a good exercise. Use a facial steam bowl to open up your airways just before going to bed. Taking a warm bath or a hot shower is also good. Use any anti-snoring appliances such as nasal strips, nose clips, clipple, chin strap or wedge pillows. Please see link in the description page to buy the appliances. Nasal strips are highly effective to reduce or stop snoring. Surgical operations like somnoplasty, tonsils removal, etc. are also done to treat snoring disorders. If you want more health tips, please comment, like and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.